The rain has returned, but will it make for a soggy Sunday? Forecast is coming up next.
Had a great Christmas, and now Matt Lavine's here to tell us that tomorrow may make us, a very nice end to the holiday weekend, I guess.
Yeah, nicer than today for sure, Dave. Right now we're looking at kind of the tale of two cities. If you live north of I-10, it's been fairly dry. If you live south of I-10, it's been fairly wet. The good news is the wet stuff is tapering off. The overcast skies remain, however, as we look at a live shot toward downtown. It is still soggy along the upper Texas coast, but the rain showers are diminishing. That is good news. It looks like things are drying out for tonight. We should see lots of sunshine on tap just in time for tomorrow. So the second half of the weekend looking much better than the first. We had a high of 53, much cooler than the norm of 63. 35 this morning's low. Some folks down around freezing or just below for a couple hours, so a light freeze for north and west, but will be warmer tonight. Right now, 50 at Bush, humidity high, winds are light, the pressure 30.14 and holding. Around town, 44 for Conroe, 43 for Tomball, 50 for Sugar Land, Hobby 50, and Galveston 48 degrees. The reason for the rain, an area of low pressure we've been watching in the Gulf of Mexico. This is tracking off toward the east away from us. It'll be on the backside tomorrow, so we're expecting this to pull in some dry air to north winds tomorrow, so much nicer day setting up than what we saw today. In the meantime, it is still bitterly cold. It's been cold all day long in the Panhandle. 24 right now in Amarillo, 27 bone-chilling degrees in Midland, 33 just above freezing for Dallas, 35 in Austin, 40s and 50s to the south. The forecast for tomorrow calls for partly cloudy skies becoming mostly sunny by about 3 o'clock. Tomorrow's high about 58 degrees, so new and improved. One thing that's not new or improved is the situation across the Midwest. Here's that upper-level storm still bringing lots of snow, 1 to 2 feet of snow. Blizzard warnings for parts of the Dakotas tonight. This is slowly tracking off toward the east around the Great Lakes and then eventually to the northeast. And yes, there are still some flight delays in New York City, more than 2-hour delays in New York, although things appear to be improving in Chicago. Still might want to call ahead to make sure that things are coming and going on time. All right, the rain moves out overnight. We're going to see lots of sunshine for much of Sunday, probably well into Monday. Problem is by Tuesday, a new storm moves in from the west. Could bring us some big storms come midweek. In the meantime, for Galveston, skies are overcast. There's some light rain down there, 48 degrees. The marine forecast for Sunday, slightly choppy bay waters, north winds at 10 to 15, seas running 3 to 5 feet. 7-day outlook calls for a nice Sunday with a high near 60. There you go, Dave. Monday also nice, a high of 52. Then the storms roll in for Tuesday, a 60% chance, clearing out just in time for New Year's with highs back in the 50s, lows near freezing come New Year's Day. So it looks like a cold day on tap. Also want to point out real quickly, the National Weather Service has issued a flood warning for Harrison, Montgomery County for Sunday afternoon through Tuesday afternoon because all that heavy rain we had earlier this week is now flowing downstream. So the West Fork of the San Jacinto at Porter could see some minor flooding, 26.5 feet. So just keep your eye to it, minor flooding over the next couple days.
Keep an eye on that, not because of rain we're going to get here, but what was earlier upstream from us then.
Just keep an eye on it.
All right, thanks for the warning. Thank you, Matt.